to the diversity of deviance and researching deviance. This is probably my favorite module because it's applying research strategies and applying methods and application of ethnographic and survey studies. So what we're going to do in this one is we're going to read our chapters and our detailed notes, of course. Watch Grocery Store Norms. It's a comedy clip. It's really funny. You wouldn't realize how important grocery store norms are, bathroom norms are, but they are strict rules that we abide by, even though they are not against the law. Sanctions, understanding informal sanctions, negative and positive sanctions. While we study deviance will be your online class session subject. Remember to visit the online class session schedule for that. Let's go ahead and just look at your instruction, your activities. Okay, so you are going to rank these items. Now, I really struggled with whether to allow you to identify 10 or if I should just post the ones I've had in other classes. I went with this method. However, so again, you're going to rank these. You're going to cite credible material from the modules that you've covered so far. You're going to post it on at least 2 different days. You're going to compare your severity to your classmates. And then you're going to figure out why. And then you're going to go to your assignment for Module 2, which is related to the discussion. And you're going to develop a survey with the same questions, except for be my guest to create your own, or you can use the one that's been developed on the discussion sheet. I would love to get some original criterias for deviant behavior. I've given you samples. Like, this is what the survey sample will, this is what your survey will look like. This is what your data sheet should look like. And this is what your analysis should look like. Again, you're going to just create a sociological survey of 10 informal deviant behaviors. So again, you can use your own list or not. You have to make sure your demographic questions are in the deviance. So in the survey, make sure you refer to that deviant survey. 10 people, preferably the more diverse, the better. But if not, we're going to find out, because in your analysis, you're going to figure out, did certain age groups seem to all agree that this was more severe than this behavior, and if they were women, they seem to find this behavior more unacceptable. And we again have a rubric, so abide by that. And then once you've done that, you will go to your practice quiz and do that a few times, and then take your credited quiz and attend your online class session and submit that under the online class session assignment Dropbox.